Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet this adorable bunny ice cream keychain. It's a cute accessory for your keys, backpack, handbag, or even a lovely handmade gift for someone special. Before we begin, please prepare 1mm yarn, a 2mm crochet hook, fiberfill stuffing, a yarn needle, and scissors. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, don't worry, I will guide you through every step. If you enjoy crochet tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Finish with a slip stitch. This small circle will become the base of our bunny ice cream. Take your time and keep your stitches even. Next, round 2. Chain 1. Work 6 increases around to reach 12 stitches, then finish with a slip stitch. Your circle should stay nice and flat. Wonderful job. Tip: mark your first stitch if it helps you keep track of each round. For round 3, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase 6 times. Finish with a slip stitch. The circle is growing beautifully. Keep a relaxed yarn tension for neat stitches. You're doing great. Moving on to round 4, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet 6 times. Finish with a slip stitch. Nice work. Tip: count your stitches before joining to avoid mistakes later. For round 5, chain 1, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, then join with a slip stitch. The base is now almost complete. Excellent progress. Even stitch spacing will give your project a smooth shape. Continue with rounds 6, 9, chain 1 and crochet 30 single crochets in each round. Finish every round with a slip stitch. These rounds build the height of the ice cream. Keep going, you'll see the shape forming very soon. Tip: crochet with consistent tension for smooth sides. For round 1, 0 front loops only, chain 1, then repeat. Skip 1 stitch, work 4 double crochets into the next stitch, and make 1 slip stitch. Repeat this 10 times to create the decorative ruffle. This pretty edge makes the ice cream look extra cute. Tip: try to keep every shell the same size for a balanced finish. Amazing work! Next, work round 10 again in the back loops only. Chain 1 and crochet 30 single crochets around, then finish with a slip stitch. This forms the body beneath the ruffle. Great job! Working into the back loops helps create a clean separation between the decoration and the body. For round 11, chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet followed by 1 decrease 10 times. Finish with a slip stitch. The opening is beginning to narrow. Keep your decreases neat for a smooth finish. You're doing wonderfully! Continue with rounds 12, 14. Chain 1 and crochet 20 single crochets in each round, then join with a slip stitch. The body is taking shape nicely now. Stay patient, you're getting closer to finishing. Tip: check your stitch count at the end of each round. For round 15, chain 1 and repeat 2 single crochets followed by 1 decrease 5 times. Finish with a slip stitch. The opening becomes smaller and prepares for stuffing. Excellent work! Now it's time to add the fiber fill stuffing. Fill the bunny ice cream firmly but gently to create a soft, rounded shape. Tip: use small pieces of stuffing instead of one large piece for a smoother finish. Looking great! For round 16, chain 1 and crochet 15 single crochets around. Finish with a slip stitch. Keep the stuffing evenly distributed while you crochet. You're almost done. Next, round 17. Chain 1 and repeat 1 single crochet followed by 1 decrease 5 times. Finish with a slip stitch. The opening is closing beautifully. Great job! For round 18, chain 1 and crochet 10 single crochets. Finish with a slip stitch. Add a little more stuffing if needed before closing completely. Nice work! Finally, round 19. Chain 1, make 5 decreases, and finish with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn, fasten off, and close the remaining opening neatly with a yarn needle. Congratulations! The main body of your bunny ice cream is finished. Now let's make the ears. Make 2 pieces, chain 6, Starting in the second chain from the hook, crochet 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 5 double crochets in the last chain. Then continue along the opposite side with 2 half double crochets and 2 single crochets. Sew both ears evenly onto the top of the bunny. Tip: pin the ears in place before sewing to make sure they are perfectly symmetrical. Fantastic work! Congratulations! Your bunny ice cream keychain is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and had fun crocheting along with me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Your support truly inspires us to create more free crochet tutorials for everyone. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!